In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Snov.io, one of the most powerful all-in-one outreach and lead generation tools on the market today. So whether you're doing cold email marketing, searching for leads, or automating your sales outreach, Snov.io can handle all of it. We'll go over the features, how to use them, and I'll also show you how to maximize each tool for your outreach campaigns. And hey, if you've ever wondered how pros find emails in seconds or personalize campaigns at scale, you're in for a treat. So stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Snove.io like a pro. Snov.io is an outreach automation platform that helps you find leads, verify emails, and send email campaigns all in one place. It's especially useful for businesses, freelancers, marketers, and recruiters who want to streamline the process of finding potential clients or candidates and reaching out to them with their personalized emails. Instead of using multiple tools, Snove.io brings everything into one simple dashboard so you don't have to keep switching between apps. It's a big time saver and it gives you a much more clear picture of your pipeline. And here's the crazy part. Once you learn how to navigate just one screen, you basically master the entire lead generation process. Let's start by creating an account. Go to snove.io and click on sign up. You can sign up using your email or your Google account. Once you're in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. If you're on the free trial, you get limited credits to test things out. It's perfect for exploring the platform before you upgrade. Also, just a quick question. What would you do if you ever had verified leads delivered to you in under 5 minutes? Stick around, I'll show you exactly how to do that. Once your account is set, make sure to set up your profile, connect your email for sending, and you're ready to go. The first feature that you need to know is email search. This tool helps you find verified email addresses based on domain names, company names, or job positions. You can search by domain to find all emails related to a specific company. Just type the domain name, for example, example.com, and Snoof.ai will scan and list verified emails associated with that domain. This is perfect if you want to target everyone within a specific organization. You can also search by names and companies. It's super helpful if you're targeting specific people. So just enter their name and company, and Snoof.ai does the rest. And once you have your results, you can save them to a list and start organizing your outreach. Also, do you want to know a little secret? Most people skip the domain search and they miss out on tons of verified contacts. Don't be that person. Next is the prospects feature. This is basically your contact management space. So every time you find a lead or upload a contact, it gets stored here. You can organize your prospects into different lists, add tags, and even add custom fields to personalize your outreach. This part of Snove.io is great for staying organized. You can also track every interaction, so see which leads have been contacted, who opened your email, and who replied. So, in a bit, I'll show you how to track opens and replies without using third party tools. It's surprisingly easy, but only if you knew where to look. Another useful tool is the companies section. This gives you access to company level data like size, industry, location, technology used, and more. This makes it easier to segment your leads based on business type, so you're not sending the same message to every company. You can even filter companies based on specific parameters, like number of employees or tech stack, to create hyper targeted outreach campaigns. Here's something to think about. What if you could target only companies that use your competitors' software? Stick around because we're getting there. Let's move on to email verification. This tool helps you check whether the emails you've collected are valid. You can even verify a single email instantly or upload a list and run a bulk check. Verifying emails is super important. Sending emails to invalid addresses hurts your deliverability, and Snoof.io helps you clean your list quickly. Just paste in the email, click verify, and Snoof.io tells you whether it's safe to send or not. The technology checker helps you identify what technology's website is using. So, for example, if a company is using Shopify, WordPress, or any kind of marketing tool, you'll see it here. This is very helpful when tailoring your pitch if you know what tools they use. You can make your emails more relevant. Snoof.io shows you everything from CMS to analytics tools, e commerce platforms, and even CRMs. So, just a minute challenge. After this video, try looking up your competitor's tech stack. The results might surprise you. Snoof.io also has a powerful Chrome extension. You can use it while browsing LinkedIn, company websites, or anywhere online to capture emails directly. Once it's installed, you'll see a little Snoof.io icon pop up. Click it, and it'll scan the page for emails or company data. This is great for quick prospecting when you don't want to log in into the full dashboard. So before you start sending out cold emails, you need to warm up your email address. This builds your sender reputation and helps you land in the inbox instead of the spam folder. Snoof.io automates this process. Once you connect your email, the system will start sending and replying to real looking emails to simulate activity. Over time, this tells email providers that your account is trustworthy. You can even monitor the warm up process directly inside the dashboard. Now let's talk about the pricing. Snoof.io gives you three options depending on how big your outreach needs are. So first, there's a free trial plan. It's $0 per month. This is perfect if you just want to explore the platform. You'll get a few credits, access to basic tools like email finding, verification, and even mailbox warm-up. Next is the starter plan at $30 per month. This is ideal for growing teams. It bumps your credits and recipients, gives you more warm ups, and unlocks features like LinkedIn automation, unlimited follow ups, bulk lead search, and AI powered campaigns. And if you're running big campaigns or working with a sales team, the Pro plan at $75 per month is the best bet. Even get more credits, unlimited everything from emails to warm-ups and advanced features like email A to B testing and priority controls for campaigns and follow-ups. To get the best results with Snoop.io, here's some tips. Always verify your email list before launching any campaign. This will boost your deliverability. Segment your contacts by interests, industry, or job role. Personalized emails get better results. Use the technology checker and company info tools to tailor your pitch. It makes your emails relevant. Warm up your email before sending bulk campaigns. This is the key to avoiding spam. Test your subject lines and messages. Use A B testing if you're on the Pro plan. Track your open and reply rates. If something isn't working, adjust your message. Don't forget to follow up. Most replies happen after the second or third email. Snoof.io also gives you analytics for every campaign so you can improve over time. So that's how to use Snoof.io from start to finish. It's an incredible, powerful platform for outreach, lead generation, and email marketing, whether you're just starting out or scaling a team. With tools for finding emails, verifying them, warming up your inbox, tracking responses, and managing your prospects, Snoof.io gives you everything in one place. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions about Snoof.io or you want a tutorial on a specific feature. And before you go, what feature do you think is the most underrated in Snoof.io? Leave your guess in the comments and I'll reveal mine in a future video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.